Welcome to today's video. We will talk about how to keep your Bodywel electric bike in top condition. First, let's talk about the maintenance of the transmission system. Regularly clean and lubricate the chain and gears to prevent wear, especially after riding in wet or muddy conditions. Use specialized bicycle oil to ensure the efficiency of the chain and gears. Next, check the brake pads for wear to ensure they have enough material to stop your bike safely. The brake pad clearance should be between 2 to 3 millimeters. The brake lever is another factor of braking efficiency. If your brakes are mechanical brakes, you only need to adjust the slack in the brake lines. If your brakes are hydraulic brakes, you will need to adjust the tightness of the screws on the brake handle and bleed the air out of the brake lines. If you're unsure how to check or adjust the braking system, consider seeking help from the Bodywel service team or professional electric bike repair services. Additionally, for effective riding, tires must maintain the proper pressure. You can find the standard tire pressure on Bodywel e-bike tires. A well-maintained electric bike is a reliable travel companion. Subscribe to our channel for more electric bike maintenance tips and advice.